the Petit Beurre cake that wanted to be dessert. Once upon a time, in a quiet kitchen where the sunlight liked to nap on the counter, there lived a small blue plate named Manon. One morning, Manon felt a soft tap, tap, tap. It was a stack of Petit Beurre biscuits standing proudly like brave little soldiers. "Hello, Manon," said the biscuits, bouncing slightly. "We have a secret dream. We want to become a dessert." Manon gasped. "A dessert? With no oven? No fancy, complicated ingredients? Are you sure?" Just then, a cup of warm milk waddled over, steam curling like a tiny scarf, smelling sweet and cozy. "I can help," the milk said shyly. And so the adventure began. Each Petit Beurre biscuit took a deep breath, puffed out its chest, and got ready for the great dip. Plop! One quick dip, 2 seconds only, just enough to feel soft and cozy. On to Manon they went, forming a neat little floor. Soon, the layering began. Manon smiled as another layer of dipped biscuits gently settled on top, making a soft biscuit blanket. Sometimes a swirl of creamy spread was added, like sweet caramel fairy dust. When all the layers were stacked and snug, the dessert in the making took a short nap in the fridge. During this magical chilling spell, the biscuits turned wonderfully soft, like a mini no-bake cake. When Manon came out of the fridge, the biscuits were no longer just biscuits. They had transformed into a gentle, melt-in-your-mouth dessert. They looked up proudly and said, "We did it. We became something sweet." And the kitchen smiled.